Hello. In this video, we are going to discuss the reasoning section of CMAT 2021 paper. So let's start with the bifurcation of questions. So we had 4 questions from coding decoding, 4 from series, 2 each from arrangement, Venn diagram, blood relation, rank determination, and visual reasoning. Then 1 each from statement conclusion, statement argument, data sufficiency, odd one out, direction sense, association reason, and analogy. So these were the questions. In total, 25 questions were there, as always, right? So let's start with first question based on visual reasoning. Find the number of triangles in the given figure. So इस figure में कितने triangles है that we need to answer. So let this point be A, this be B, then this is C, let this be D, and this be E, F, and G. See, so there's no short trick for this question. You need to manually count the number of triangles, right? So suppose that we are taking base as AB. So the triangles can be, I think only one triangle can be there, ABC. Fine. Now if we consider base as AC, so we have only one triangle, that is ACD. Considering AD as base, we have ADE and ADF. Now we again has ADC, but that we have already counted. ACD and ADC will be both the same only, right? So I am writing with base AE. We don't have any unique triangle that we have not counted already. ऐसा कोई भी triangle नहीं है base AE से. If we take AF as base, again there is no such triangle that we have not counted already. So ये इनसे कोई भी नहीं है, इससे भी कोई भी नहीं है. Then let us move to B. BC as base, we have BCD as triangle. BD as base, we have BGD as triangle. BDG, right? And taking BG as base, again no such triangle is there, which we haven't counted already, right? So यहाँ तक हमने कर लिया. A और B को base लेके consider कर लिए सारे. अब C से start करते हैं. Let us assume CD as base. So we have CDG, we have CDE, and we have CDF. These are the 3 triangles. CE, we have CEG. Considering CF as base, we have CFG. Then considering CG as base, no unique triangle is there. We have already counted that. DE, DEF, right, and DEG. Then DF, no such triangle is there. DG, no such triangle is there. So using EF, we have one triangle as EFG. Fine. And again, so these are the only triangles that we can count. So let us count them: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. And there was no such option. So the options for this question were wrong. The correct answer to this question is 14 such triangles is there. Fine. Going to the next question. Okay. So based on statement conclusion, 1 statement and 2 conclusion for the statement are given. Read the statement, think logically about the conclusion, and mark the correct option which follows the statement. Statement is socialization has an outcome. Conclusion are the person being socialized acquire new skills. And second is socialization does not lead to change in behavior. Now see, socialization. So इसका outcome की बात की जा रही है ना. Conclusion first. The person being socialized acquires new skill. Obviously, this is correct. Why so? देखिए सोशलाइजेशन का इन्होंने बोला है कुछ आउटकम है. इस स्टेटमेंट को यदि हम करेक्ट कंसीडर करते हैं तो दैट मींस कि पर्सन में कुछ ना कुछ चेंजेस तो सोशलाइजेशन की वजह से आते हैं. तो वी कैन से दैट द पर्सन बीइंग सोशलाइज्ड एक्वायर्स न्यू स्किल. दिस इज करेक्ट. सोशलाइजेशन डज नॉट लीड टू चेंज इन बिहेवियर. दिस इज रॉन्ग. So the correct answer is only conclusion A follows. Fine. Going to next question based on number series. The question is 8, 13, 10, 15, 12. Question is quite easy. The difference here is of 5. Then minus 3, then again 5, then minus 3. So the next should be plus 5. That makes the answer to be 17. Option B is the correct one. Next. Okay, again based on series only. So let us check for the difference 30, 56, 90, and so on. So the difference between 30 and 56 is of 26. Then we have the difference of 34. Now this we don't have any idea. And the last difference is 58. Right. Now see. Here there is an increment of plus 8. तो यदि हम यही लॉजिक यूज करके यहाँ पर 42 का गैप रखते हैं प्लस 8 करके, तो दैट विल मेक इट 132. और नेक्स्ट 42 पे प्लस 8 करते हैं तो 50 का गैप होना चाहिए, जो कि हो भी रहा है. 132 प्लस 50 is 182. So the correct answer is 132, and the logic is the difference is increasing by 8. So this is the correct answer. Going to next question. Question number 5. Find out which of the following given statement are sufficient to answer the following question. The question is, who scored the highest marks in the class? This is the question. The statement are, Pawan scored 98% marks in the class. Now let us assume that paper was of 100 marks. We are assuming that the paper was of 100 marks, right? So Pawan scored 98. The marks of Pawan is 98. Swati scored more than 98%. So let us assume that Swati's score was 99. The marks of all the students were less than that of Swati's marks. सबके स्वाति से कम थे. तो highest marks तो वैसे ही स्वाति के हो गए. उसमें पवन के marks का पता करने का कोई रोल ही नहीं था. In fact, स्वाति के 98% मार्क्स है, इसका भी कोई रोल नहीं है. यहाँ पर हमें केवल ये बताना था कि कौन सा स्टेटमेंट सफिशिएंट है आंसर करने के लिए कि किसके हाईएस्ट है. और जब हम ये पढ़ रहे हैं द मार्क्स ऑफ ऑल स्टूडेंट वर लेस देन दैट ऑफ स्वाति, तो ऑब्वियसली स्वाति के हाईएस्ट है. ओनली सी स्टेटमेंट इज सफिशिएंट टू आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन. फाइन. Moving to next question. Based on statement argument, the given statement is followed by two arguments, first and second. Decide which argument is correct for the statement. We should plant more trees. Trees help in reducing pollution. Correct. This is perfectly wrong. Correct. Tree occupies too much space of earth? No. Fine. Obviously, बहुत easy question था. इसका argument, strong argument क्या रहने वाला है? Tree obviously helps in reducing pollution. So first is true. Moving to next question. Okay. So given below is a diagram of three circles X, Y, and Z, which represent musicians. So X is musician, Y is singers, and Z is dancers. Now the circles intersect with each other and forms region A, B, and C and D. Select the region that represent musician who are singers but not dancers. So basically we need to find a circle area, in fact, where we have an intersection of musician and singer, पर वो dancers नहीं होने चाहिए. Dancers नहीं होने चाहिए. That means वो A नहीं हो सकता है, वो B नहीं हो सकता है, वो C नहीं हो सकता है, because all three are coming in dancers वाला circle, right? Now let us talk about D. D is coming in musician as well as singer, but not in dancer. So the correct answer is D. So this option, only D. Fine. Question number 8. We need to find the odd one out. K, M, O, Q, S, U, W, X, and so on. These are the four options. Now see, the easy way to solve such question is इनकी position लिख लीजिए. For example, K comes at position number 11 in the number series, alphabetical series. In fact, M at position number 13, O at 15, and OQ at 17. अब जैसे हमने नंबर लिखे हमें दिख रहा है यहाँ पे +2 का लॉजिक है. यहाँ पर देखते हैं S at 19, U at 21, W is 23, and X is 24. Now here the logic is of +2. Then +2 पर यहाँ पर +1 हो रहा है केवल. ACEG 1, 3, 5, and 7. Again, the logic is +2. IKMO 9, 11, 13, and 15. Again, there is a difference of +2 in all these. So this is the odd one out. इसमें यहाँ पर +1 का difference आ रहा है. Fine. Going to question number 9. Based on coding decoding, if clause is coded as ESSLUA, ECSLUA. So CLAUSE clause is coded as ECSLUA. Now see, if we observe it carefully, तो हम देखेंगे कि यहाँ पे जो letters है वो change नहीं हुए हैं, उनको rearrange किया गया है. किस तरह से? जो last था उसको उठा के सबसे पहले ले आए हैं, और फिर first, then second last, and then second, then third last, and then third. So using the same logic, if we need to find the code for empire, so सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे? E को first ले आएंगे, last वाले को, then U, then second last, then second, then third last, then third. So the code should be EURMIP. EURMIP. Option D is the correct one. Question number 10. We need to find the wrong number in the sequence based on number series. Now see here the difference is of -2, -3. Here again -2. यहाँ पर difference हो रहा है हमारा -7 का. Then यहाँ पे -3 and here is of -7 again. ठीक है. तो यहाँ पर sorry, here it is of -6. Sorry. Fine. तो ये sequence है. अब इसमें हमें बताना है कि कौन सा टर्म गलत है. Now see, यहाँ -2 -3 था. यहाँ से थोड़ा गड़बड़, -2 वापस से रिपीट हो गया या -7 हो गया. तो यहाँ पर इन केस इफ वी अज्यूम कि यहाँ पे -4 का डिफरेंस होना चाहिए था, तो एक बार चेक करते हैं. 72 -2 is 70, -3 is 67, यहाँ पे -4 होता तो यहाँ पे 63 आता, और फिर नेक्स्ट कितना होता 58, तो डिफरेंस -5 का जो कि होना चाहिए था। 58 के बाद वी हैव 52, डिफरेंस -6 का, देन वी हैव 45, डिफरेंस -7 का। नाउ दिस इज लॉजिकल, यहाँ पर जो डिफरेंस है वो 1 से इंक्रीज हुई जा रहा है। So the option is this is correct, incorrect one, right? So the correct is 63 should come at place of 65. Going to next question. Okay, based on coding decoding, roses are red and the code is co t and na. Roses are beautiful and the code is co t na. Now question is color of a code for red. Now see, roses are इधर भी है और इधर भी कॉमन है, तो जो भी उसका कोड होगा वो इन दोनों में कॉमन होना चाहिए, एंड द कॉमन वर्ड्स आर टी एंड ना। यहाँ पर वी आर लेफ्ट विथ रेड और कोड में बचा है को, तो रेड का जो कोड होगा वो क्या होना चाहिए, के ओ, दैट इज दिस ऑप्शन, दिस इज मिसप्रिंट हियर, इट शुड बी के ओ। So again an easy one from coding decoding. Going to question number 12. 6 friends are sitting around a circular table in such a way that they are equidistant from each other. Kunal is sitting, so मैं बना लेता हूँ circle, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 persons are there. Now Kunal is sitting to the right of Alia and Dhruv is sitting between Aarti and Jasmeet. Now Kunal is sitting to the right of Alia. In circular arrangement we can start from any point. So मैंने यहाँ से start कर दिया, Kunal is between is to the right of Alia and Dhruv is between Aarti and Jasmeet. अब हम ध्रुव को अभी और इंफॉर्मेशन आए बिना कहीं भी प्लेस नहीं कर सकते हैं, because we have multiple options now. Now Safi is opposite to Jasmeet and right to of Kunal. Safi is to right of Kunal and Safi is opposite to Jasmeet, so Jasmeet should come here, right? And now we can use this information. Dhruv was between Aarti and Jasmeet. Jasmeet यहाँ है, यहाँ पर आरती को हम प्लेस नहीं कर सकते, तो ध्रुव is between Aarti and Jasmeet. Now this is complete. Now who is sitting between Aarti and Kunal? So between Aarti and Kunal we have Safi. Option C is the correct one. Fine. Moving to next question. Based on visual reasoning, so we have two figures, two basically you can say entities which are moving in this square block. एक क्रॉस है, एक सर्किल है. ना हम देखेंगे जो क्रॉस है वो हाफ से मूव किया, देन अगेन हाफ लेंथ से मूव किया, तो इसका जो मूवमेंट होना चाहिए था वो एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में है और हाफ से होना चाहिए था, तो क्रॉस को यहाँ पर आना चाहिए, राइट? टॉकिंग अबाउट सर्किल, इट मूव्स बाय 1 फुल लेंथ और ये भी एंटी क्लॉकवाइज में मूव हो रहा है, तो यहाँ से यहाँ पहुंचे देन यहाँ पहुंचे, तो नेक्स्ट इट शुड कम हियर, so this should be our answer figure and the D option is same, so D is the correct one. 14. Based on coding decoding, so in a certain code Lucknow is coded as this, surface as this, we need to find the code for happiness. Now let us check for Lucknow first. लखनऊ को क्यों ये कोड किया गया है, किस लॉजिक से किया गया है वो देखते हैं एक बार. फाइन, so the logic is L के बाद next letter is M, U से just पहले वाला letter is T, C के just बाद वाला letter is D, just before K we have J, just after N we have O, just before O we have N, and so on. So the logic is of +1 -1 +1 -1. If you apply the same logic in happiness, so +1 -1 +1 -1 +1 -1 +1 -1 and +1. Now +1, so the letter just after H is I, so the answer should start with I. We can eliminate these two options. A -1, now see A is the first letter, so -1 means the last letter of the series. इसको cyclic order में माना जाता है, तो just after A we have B and just before A we consider Z. So A -1 is Z, it should be IZ. Option A is the correct one, right? Okay, it should start with IZ, so we have only one option which is starting with IZ. Okay, in a certain code, flower is coded as 325716, 325716, and right is coded as 76481. Now see, here in these two words we have E common, और यहाँ पर E का code corresponding letter is 1, यहाँ E का corresponding letter is 1. So we can say that जो कोडिंग हुई है वो करस्पॉन्डिंग लेटर्स के बेसिस पे हुई है. नाउ लेटर, सबसे पहले we need to find the code for L. Now L here is represented by 2, so we have 2. Then code for I is represented by 4, so 4. Then T, T is 8, so 2 4 8 8. E is 1 and R is 6. 2 4 8 8 1 6 should be the correct answer. Option C is the correct one. Question number 16. Direction. Sophia is walking in east direction. So let's start the question. Sophia is walking in east direction. This is the starting point. After walking for some time, she turns left. So left turn from here. And again turns 45 degree right. Now this direction she is moving. In which direction is she moving now? Now this direction is basically northeast. So the correct answer is option D, northeast. Question number 17. Visual reasoning. Oh, sorry, Venn diagram. Observe the given figure and read the statement first, second, and third. Now see, there is an intersection between teachers and doctors. So यहाँ पर जो आ रहे हैं, these are the persons who are teachers as well as doctors. All surgeons are doctors, we can say. Fine, and no teacher is a surgeon. इस diagram से ये हमें पता चल रहा है. Now let us check for the statement. All teachers are doctors? No. All teachers doctors नहीं कह सकते. This teacher is not doctor. So this is wrong. Some doctors are teachers here. This is correct. Some of the doctors are, there is an intersection between doctors and teachers. So we can definitely say that some doctors are teachers. All surgeons are doctors. This is also correct. So the correct answer is second and third are correct. So option D is the correct one. Question number 18, based on assertion reason. So assertion is given as solar energy is in abundance on planet Earth. So yes, this is correct. We have abundance of solar energy. And a reason is solar energy is available only in summer season. No, this is not the reason. In fact, solar energy winter season may be available to rehti hai, right? So this is wrong, but this is right. So the correct answer should be A is true, but R is false. So this is the correct one. Next question, based on blood relation, P is father of R. P is father of R. So let us draw the family tree. P is father of R. Q is sister of P. Q is sister of P. So we are representing male by block and female by this circle. This is female and this is for males. R is brother of C. R is brother of C. And S is mother of P. S is mother of P. The question is, how is R related to S? R is grandson of S. So the correct answer is option A, that is grandson. Question 20. Ansh, based on rank determination, Ansh is taller than Akshita, but shorter than Sharad. Akshita is shorter than Sharad, वो तो हो ही रहा है, but taller than Sneha. Tallest कौन है? Very easy one. Sharad is the tallest. Question number 21. So we need to find the missing term. So first is C, D, F, G, I, J, L, M. So इनके code यदि हम लिख लें, code as in इनकी position in alphabetical series. C comes at position number 3, D at position number 4, F at position number 6, and G at 7. Then I comes at position number 9. Fine. J at 10, 11 missing at 12 or 13. O comes at position number 15. Then we have P at 16, then blank. Then we have 18 and 19 position पे R or S आते हैं respectively. We need to find these terms. ABD is A, B, D and E. E is 5. Now see, यहाँ पर हम देख रहे हैं there is an increment of +6 and so on. यहाँ पे +6 +6 +6 +6. So logic is very clear to us now. +6 करते हैं तो it should be 21. This is how much? 22, 24 and 25. Now 21 is letter U, 22 is V, 24 is X, and 25 is Y. U, V, X, Y should be the answer. Option C is the correct one. Question number 22. Based on analogy. So in some way, bees are related to word swarm. We need to find the same logic. We need to apply the same logic for word lions. Now swarm is basically, you can say, collection of bees or group of bees. So lions के group को कहा जाता है pride. So this is the correct one. Option C. Blood relation again. A says to B, I am mother of your grandfather's son. A B को कहते हैं कि I am mother of your grandfather's son. तो B के जो grandfather हैं, मतलब उनके father के भी father, ये बी के ग्रैंडफादर है, उनके सन ये हो गए, एंड आई एम मदर ऑफ दिस पर्सन, ए इज मदर ऑफ दिस पर्सन. How is A related to B? Now see, A is grandmother of B. So the correct answer is option A, grandmother. Question number 24. Aman is 5 ranks ahead of Ishan in a class of 30 students. If Isha's rank is 14th from the last, Isha ki rank is 14th from the last, we need to find the rank of Aman from first position, that is Chetan. Chetan is at first position, we need to find the rank of Aman from top. And Aman is 5 ranks ahead of Isha. So we have 5 students in between the 4 students, you can say. So the rank of Aman from the last, you can say, is how much? 19. ठीक है, 5 रैंक्स अच्छी होने का मतलब इससे 5 रैंक्स बेटर पे है. तो लास्ट से काउंट करें तो फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ और फिफ्थ पोजीशन पे अमन शुड बी देयर, राइट? So rank of Aman is 19th from the last, but we need to find the rank of Aman from the start, from the top. So we have total 30 students. So the formula is total student minus rank from bottom and plus 1. We need to do this. So the answer is 12. The correct answer is option B, that is 12. Okay, ABCD played tennis. Though tennis may we have A, B, C and D. B and C play football also. Football may we have B and C. D does not play chess. तो chess में D नहीं होगा, बाकी सब होंगे. But plays badminton. तो badminton में we have D. Who plays only tennis? Only tennis. I think there is some confusion. Only tennis. ABCD plays tennis. So basically, we need to find the one who plays only tennis and no other game. So I think here we should keep this information as D does not play chess. तो D chess नहीं खेलता है, पर इससे हम ये नहीं कह सकते हैं कि वो कुछ और गेम खेलते होंगे या नहीं, राइट? और बाकी के लोग जो है वो चेस खेलते होंगे या नहीं. So we have A जो केवल टेनिस खेल रहा है, we have B जो टेनिस एंड फुटबॉल खेल रहा है, C टेनिस एंड फुटबॉल अगेन, D टेनिस एंड this game is badminton. So A is the one who is playing only tennis. Now see, D does not play chess. इससे हम ये अज्यूम नहीं करना चाहिए हमें कि वो बाकी लोग चेस खेलते हैं. केवल ये बोला गया है कि D चेस नहीं खेलते हैं, right? So the correct answer is A is the one who plays only tennis. So I hope all these questions are clear to you. Thank you so much.